Hey amazing hackers, I'm Torhat from HM Cyber Academy. We are going to continue with our incredible web hacking series. Here, you're going to learn hacking or you'll die trying. So let's get started. Welcome back to another web challenge, Natas 13. Okay, let's log into it. Natas 13 and enter. So this looks like another file upload. We only accept image files. Okay, so let's see the source code before we jump into it. Here everything is same. We are getting random string and we are going to make some path with the random string and random path for a file. Okay, and some extension as well. All right, so it's going to take the file name from the post, and if it exists then make random path, upload this file. Okay, and if there is some error, you need to mention that error. If error, file upload exceeds maximum file size or something went wrong. It also checks the file size. If the file size is more than 100,000 bytes, it's going to say file is too big. Okay, so exif image type, right. So this exif image type is a standard function, so it's going to check the file type. So it's going to check if it is PHP or some other file. So if it is not an image, so it's going to throw an error saying that it is not an image. Okay, and then move that file to certain path and display that path. Okay, right. So here we can see that there is some file filtering system. Okay, if it is not image type, so it's going to throw some error. Right, we are going to bypass only this part, and this looks like everything is fine, so there is nothing else we need to do, only this part. Okay, so identifying the vulnerable location is very important. Okay, so let's try to upload PHP as we did before. Okay, so what does it say? The file is not an image. So this is what it's trying to do. So file is not an image. So if we let's upload an image. Okay, so we have an image. Let's upload the image. So file upload uploaded file exceeds maximum file size. So where is it? So this one. Okay, so what we need to do is, let's check the file size. So it is 40 kilobytes. Okay, it's gonna accept only 1 kilobyte or less than that. Okay, it cannot accept this one, 40 kilobytes. So what do we need to do for that? So in images, let's say for example in it's recent. Okay, so let's go to Natas and then small JPG, and this time we are going to intercept the request and see what happens. Okay, intercept on, upload, and as you can see, the content starts from here. Okay, in JPG file types, there is something called Yoya JFIF. Okay, so this is the header of the JPG file. So all these initial bytes are something that is required. Okay, all these initial bytes. So this whole thing usually says that this is a JPG file. If we remove this one and if we keep something else, the file type is detected as some other file like a png or something else. Okay, and if I just remove everything, if I remove everything, that is coming below, so this whole thing is the 40 kilobytes. Okay, so I'll just keep something at the end. Okay, so here I see that there is this is what we have right now. Okay, so this is the whole image. If we remove this, there might be there can be some error because of the missing header. Okay, yeah, jfif. So if we miss this, it's gonna cause some error. Okay, jpeg file. If we do not miss this and we keep something in the header and footer, we are good to go. Okay, so let's forward this and see what happens. It is accepting. Okay, so it has to be less than 1000 bytes, only then it is accepting. Okay, right. So let's try to choose file. Let's go to Natas and small jpg. So this time we are going to do the same thing again, but this time we will make some changes into it. Okay, so let's get rid of all of this like we did before. All right, so let's keep it till here. Okay, and this time let's open that php file, this one. We open this, we have this one. Okay, copy and then paste it somewhere in the middle. Okay, so if we make this change, and what else we need to do, we need to change with this extension called jpeg. We need to remove this and we need to keep php, and here we need to keep, I think, application xphp. Let's keep that. Okay, application /xphp, and let's change this to php as well, and let's forward this and we'll see what happens. Oh shit, upload file exists, maximum file size. So we need to even shorten the file size. Okay, I think we have exceeded 1000 bytes, I guess. So since we have this, oh, this is original request, it has to be modified request. Okay, so this is the modified request. We need to send it to repeater. Okay, and then there's a lot of content. We'll remove some more content here and some more content here. Okay, so now this has to be less than 1000 bytes. So let's send this request and we'll see what happens. Yeah, looks like the file has been uploaded. We'll just see the response in browser. Okay, so copy, paste. Yeah, looks like the file upload is in this location. Okay, so if we click on this file, this should load a php file and some random text. Okay, as you can see, the jfif as usual. Okay, and some special characters that are inside the header. We don't need all of this, and the php code has been executed here. Okay, in the line 19 as it says, and here it is saying that HM Cyber Academy is not in the index, undefined index here, and cannot execute blank command. Okay, so let's copy this as we did previously. Question mark HM Cyber Academy equals to let's print ls and we'll see what happens. Let's, yeah, looks like there are a lot of file uploads here. Okay, and as we are able to print that, let's cat this file, cat /etc/ natas underscore web pass /natas 14. Since we are in 13, we have to go to 14. Okay, as you can see, they are saying this might be the password, but I'm not sure because there are some special some normal text as well. So in the beginning or the end, there might be some characters like this. So I don't want to take some chances here. Okay, so I'm going to change this PHP in such a way that I'm absolutely sure that the password is this one. Okay, so how to do that? So I'll just define a variable. Okay, so I'll type here. So in this PHP code, we are going to make some changes, like we are going to introduce a variable and set it to some normal text like underscore underscore. So this is just normal ASCII character. Okay, underscore underscore, two underscores. Okay, so what this variable is going to do is store this value, and we are going to end this statement and we are going to print that statement. Okay, print $a and end this statement. Okay, so it is going to print double underscore. Okay, and we are going to copy this and we are going to put it at the end as well. Okay, in the beginning and in the end. Okay, so this is how we modify this, and let's copy this, and instead of the previous PHP code, we are going to paste this code. Okay, right, and we are going to forward this, and we got an output. Let's show response in browser. And we got this output. Okay, and the file has been successfully uploaded. Let's click on this. As you can see, it's the same thing, and let's copy this command from here to here, and then paste it here. So this time as you can see, the beginning and the end has been enclosed with this. So our password is this. Okay, this will be our password. I hope you understand this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.